Absolutely obsessed with this glam. I literally need it on my face right now. So today we're going to recreate this look. So I'm taking a little bit of the Nude Sticks moisturiser just to rehydrate my skin. By the way guys, I've got a huge false tan stain on my hands, so please ignore that. Her brows are a lot more tame than mine, so I'm just taking the Primark brow pencil and I'm just going to fill them in. And then just setting my brows with a little bit of powder. This might look really weird, but honestly it's absolutely changed my life. And I'm just taking a little bit of foundation and concealer just to carve our eyebrows. So I got these little strip things from Primark the other day, so I just cut mine in half, and these are absolutely perfect if you guys struggle with winged eyeliner. Make sure your lids aren't creased like me, because my lids always crease. I'm taking this Be Perfect palette, and I'm going to take this colour here and just start running this right through my crease. Now I've got that first colour on, I'm going to take a darker brown on a smaller brush, and I'm just going to start running this through my crease, but make sure we don't take it any higher than that because we want to add that nice like gradient effect. So I've just taken the P. Louise blank canvas to cut the crease, but it's actually quite a soft cut crease, so I'm just going to pat over this so it's not as like harsh. Going in with this teeny weeny brush and taking a black eyeshadow and starting to really build that eyeliner. So now time for lashes. I'm going to apply the Kiss lashes in the style 2. Right, time to see if these worked. Ooh. Perfect. So for base, I'm going to take the Be Perfect Perfection Primer in the shade Champagne. Foundation, we're taking the L'Oreal True Match in Golden Honey. Oh my god, I cannot believe I've just... Okay, I managed to salvage it. So I'm just blending this in with my Sigma Max Kabuki brush. Then taking the Nude Sticks Concealer in the shade Nude 4. I'm just applying it where you want to highlight or get a little bit more coverage. For contour, I'm taking the Primark Contour Stick in the shade Chai. I absolutely love these, really creamy and blendable. And then I'm blending this all together with my Cocoa Cosmetic sponge. So now that it's all nice and blended, I'm going to go in with the Jordana T-shirt powder in Blondie to set. Then NARS Orgasm to blend the two together. I'm taking the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. That's Lottie back in the background. But we're nearly done, so now time for lips. We're taking the Morphe liner in Sweet Tea and a little bit of Jordana T-shirt Mama in the middle. And then I'm just adding a few Iconic London drops just to give a really nice glowy collarbone, because I absolutely love that. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm actually so happy how it came out. This is one of my favourite makeup looks I've done in a long time. But this was obviously our inspo, so let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching.